Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig installation. The hair that I'm using, I got from Nadula Hair. I actually purchased this hair off of Amazon. And at first I was a little skeptical because I've never actually gotten hair off of Amazon, but it was really good and I really liked it. So yeah, I just want to make sure to mention that before we start this video. So let's just get into it.
Fight on my info, sleeping garments that he won't show. I'm a stain now. Big body, know I can see that's a buzz down.
Hey guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. So as you can see, basically I'm just prepping my hair to braid it. And first I'm gonna blow dry it just so the braids are super flat. So I'm going in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner and just getting all in there. Then I'm going in with my Dew Grew hair vitalizer. I'm gonna put that all on my hair just to, give it some extra moisture. And then I'm just gonna section this part off and do the rest of my head. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm gonna go with my jojoba oil, however you pronounce it, and massage that into my scalp. I'm also gonna do the same with my Curls Blueberry Bliss hair oil as well. I really love this oil. I really do recommend it. It's done wonders to my hair for the past couple months that I've been using it. Then I'm just gonna go on my Sassy Gal edge control just to make sure that my edges are laid as I'm braiding it, so I don't really have a problem with it, being all over the place when I'm trying to put the ball cap on. Now we gotta get into it with the Gots to Be spray. I'm just spraying that all along my hairline and making sure that it gets everywhere. So, I kind of have that bald cap look, it looks like I'm bald or whatever. And just cutting little holes for my ears so it really sticks to the sides and whatnot. Now, I would just like to say, I'm not a, I'm not a professional. I'm not a expert when it comes to laying wigs down and doing this whole ball cap method. So throughout this video, I may do some things wrong, and that's okay. As I said from before, I'm not a professional. I'm still learning myself. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that this cap is as laid as possible. Just because I've had experiences with it not being super laid, and then when I put the wig on top, it just wasn't as flat as it needed to be. So I'm just going in with the Gots to Be spray once again, and I'm just getting those little pieces that are kind of flapping up and just aren't as flat as I want it to be. Alright, so as you can see, I'm basically just mixing my foundation and my concealer to kind of just get that I don't want to say perfect because it's not really perfect. It's still not my skin complexion, but whatever, it's close enough, right? And that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it where the lace is gonna be, and I'm gonna go in with my Ghost Bond. I've heard so much about Ghost Bond and Bow Hold. I definitely want to try Bow Hold, but as of now, I have Ghost Bond, so that's what we about to be using. And I'm just gonna flatten it. Like I said, not a professional, just trying to learn. But yeah, basically, I'm just gonna use the blow dryer, and I'm gonna dry the glue till it's clear. Now, like I said from before, I'm gonna say it again. I feel like I'm being very repetitive, but I'm not a professional, and watching this video, I definitely think that I should have stopped after the second coat, of glue, but I went in with a third and it wasn't as clear as I wanted to be when I was trying to dry it. And I was drying it for a while, so I just kind of gave up, as you're about to see. But yeah, I definitely would have stopped at the second coat. There was no reason for me to do a second layer. I mean, there's no reason for me to do a third layer. I definitely would have stopped at the third layer, but it is what it is. Watching it now, you know, I'm learning, and yeah, but it didn't really like have a negative effect. I just personally feel like it would have looked better if I had just left it at 2. Alright, so I'm just gonna like hold it down a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go with my blow dryer once again, and I'm gonna try to just, you know, comb it in to my scalp and just kind of like help the lace melt into my skin as much as possible. So basically that's what I'm gonna be doing in this next part, and I really do recommend this step especially because it really does help the lace kind of like bond with your skin, and it gives it a more natural look. So I will say that, you know, this definitely helped with my whole glue situation prior. Alright, and now I'm just cleaning up the edges with alcohol. I need to figure out how to do this step because I don't know, like I be trying so hard and then I still feel like the alcohol lifts the lace a little bit. So that's why I'm kind of just going in with this what are they called, like the little strips, and I'm just gonna lay down the wig with that and just help the hair and help the lace and the skin kind of just mold together. And I'm just also going in with my hot comb just to make sure that the top of my wig is very laid, because it was looking kind of crazy from before. And those strips really do help because after like I took it off, I realized that, you know, like I wasn't having the problem of the lace lifting, and it really did help keep the lace down. So yeah, I'm just brushing it out, doing what I gotta do. Yeah, adding oil because this hair is body wave hair, so oil does help bring out like its natural curls and just also help reduce frizz. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned a thing or two. I definitely did once again. If you want to see me do anything else, make sure to comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't tell me about no coach, I'ma buy it. Ay. Riding with a baddie and she biased. Look like Simmons on my wave that she riding. Bubble, let's compete, who's the flyest?